Hello, this video will walk you through and highlight the new features of the new Lead tab. You can find the Lead tab on the left sidebar menu. The header at the top will highlight the number of leads based on the default timeframe and criteria. The first step would be to select the lead types you want to view. By default, all the available lead types are selected. If needed, you can click the X on the right to remove all selected and then choose which leads you want, or you can X out the specific lead types you don't want. Select the date type you want to search by. Contact date being when the lead was initiated with the dealership. Activity date looks at the last modified for the lead, and sold date is when the lead was marked sold. The date range filter lets you choose from pre-selected options on the left, or you can use a custom date range by selecting the start and end dates. You will also have many other filters to choose from, including sold or unsold, a text search to find a specific name, engaged, lead status, personnel, model, which also includes custom model group options in the dropdown, and source. Once your criteria are updated, the results are updated automatically. You will see the icons on the left identify the lead types. The leads highlighted in red or yellow signify where urgency was updated to high or medium respectively for that particular lead. Most columns are sortable by clicking on the header at the top. Beside the customer name, you can click on the eye logo to view the Quick Customer View. The Quick View has 3 tabs: Customer Info, Lead History, and Visit History. You can reassign personnel, vehicles, or sources from the drop-downs. For internet leads, you can see a response time. By hovering over the numbers in the contacts, appointments, or traffic columns, you can get more specifics about the types of contacts, appointment details, and traffic details. The sold checkbox allows you to click to update the sold status of that lead. Be sure to enter a sold date as well when updating the sold status, or this will not show when searching by sold date. The active checkbox can deactivate a lead. The garbage can allows you to delete a lead, and the comments icon allows you to view comments for that lead. At the top right of this page, you can export your leads to CSV. Once selected, you can choose what data you wanted to include in your export. At this time, we only offer export to CSV. The email customers icon will bring you to the mail merge page where you can select the leads you want to send a mass email to. Thanks for watching.